To remove and install the battery on your P3200iE generator, follow these steps. Place the generator on a flat, level surface. Ensure the power switch is set to stop. Below the control panel, loosen the two battery cover fasteners and remove the cover. Remove the fastener securing the battery bracket and remove the bracket. Lift the battery out of the generator. Remove the negative protector boot and disconnect the negative cable first to prevent arcing. Then remove the positive protector boot and disconnect the positive cable. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris to prevent damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Clean the inside of the battery holder. Ensure the pads are properly located and free of damage. Connect and tighten the positive cable first to prevent arcing and reinstall the protector boot. Then connect and tighten the negative cable. Coat the terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Place the battery in the battery holder. Secure the battery bracket and tighten the fasteners until fully seated. Verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Start the generator to verify the battery is properly connected. Reinstall the battery cover with the vents facing downward and tighten the fasteners until fully seated. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.